Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CompTIA 601. Lesson 01, Course Introduction. Welcome to the CompTIA Security Plus SY0-601 course. In this introductory lesson, we'll provide an overview of the course objectives, structure, and what you can expect to learn. Course objectives. 1. Understand the fundamentals of cybersecurity and the role of security professionals. 2. Learn about different types of threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities. 3. Explore security technologies and tools used to protect systems and networks. 4. Understand security policies, procedures, and best practices. 5. Prepare for the CompTIA Security Plus SY0-601 certification exam. Course structure. 1. The course is divided into modules, each focusing on a specific topic within cybersecurity. 2. Each module consists of lessons, quizzes, and hands-on labs to reinforce learning. 3. You'll have access to resources such as study guides, practice exams, and instructor support to help you succeed. What to expect? 1. Engage in interactive lessons and activities to enhance your understanding of cybersecurity concepts. 2. Participate in discussions and collaborate with other students to deepen your knowledge. 3. Complete quizzes and labs to test your understanding and reinforce key concepts. 4. Prepare for the CompTIA Security Plus SY0-601 certification exam through comprehensive study materials and practice exams. We're excited to have you on this cybersecurity journey. Let's get started.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.